The real struggle of sending money home. Sending money home should be simple, right? You work hard, you earn your money, and you send part of it to your family so they can live better, eat better, go to school, or manage their bills. But for millions of people working abroad, the process is anything but simple. Every time you try to send money, fees eat into your amount, exchange rates cut it down even more, and by the time your family actually receives it, what started as $1,000 sometimes arrives as $700 or $750. That means you lose up to 30%, not because you spent it, but because the system is designed to take it away from you. Imagine working 10 to 12 hours a day, missing family, staying away from home for months or even years, and then losing a big portion of your hard-earned money to banks and transfer companies. It's painful, it's unfair, and for many people, it feels unavoidable. But the truth is this: you do not have to lose 20 to 30% every time you send money home. There are smarter ways, cheaper methods, new apps, better platforms, and simple strategies that most people don't know about. In this video, we're going to break down step by step how you can send money home safely, fast, and without wasting your money on hidden fees. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly where your money goes, which method is best for you, how to avoid scams, how to protect your money, and how to make sure your family receives the amount you intended, without deductions. 1. The hidden cost of sending money home. When millions of overseas workers move money across borders, they assume the fee is just a small percentage deducted by the money transfer service. But the truth is, most people lose far more than they realize, sometimes up to 30%, not just because of fees, but because of poor exchange rates, hidden charges, slow transfer networks, and inefficient systems built decades ago. Banks, remittance centers, and old-school transfer companies often use inflated exchange rates that look normal on the surface, but actually hide a huge markup. They might offer you a 0% fee transfer, but then quietly make their profit by giving you a weaker rate, which means your family receives a lot less money. Many people don't understand how these hidden losses add up over time. For example, if you're sending $500 per month and losing even 7 to 10% through hidden rate markups, that's $35 to $50 gone instantly, and thousands of dollars lost every year. On top of that, there are receiving fees, cash-out fees, ATM fees, compliance fees, and network charges that most senders never calculate. The global remittance system is worth over $700 billion annually, and a huge chunk of that goes into the pockets of middlemen instead of the families who need it most. Understanding these hidden losses is the first step to protecting your hard-earned money. Once you recognize how dangerous these invisible charges can be, you immediately become aware that there are smarter ways, cheaper methods, and modern tools that can help you send money more efficiently. The goal isn't just to save money, it's to maximize the value of every dollar you earn so your family gets the full benefit. In this video, we break down exactly how you can avoid losing up to 30% in fees and instead keep more of your money where it belongs, with your loved ones back home. 2. Why traditional bank transfers are the most expensive option. Most people assume banks are the safest and best option to send money home. After all, banks have existed for hundreds of years, and many families trust them with their savings. But when it comes to international remittances, banks are often the most expensive way to send money. They charge multiple layers of fees: sending fees, intermediary bank fees, receiving fees, and above all, terrible exchange rates that take a big bite out of your money without you noticing. Banks rarely tell you the true mid-market exchange rate, the real rate used worldwide. Instead, they take that rate and add a hidden markup, sometimes 3 to 7% or more. If you're sending to a country where the currency fluctuates often, the markup could be even higher. On top of that, bank transfers can take several days to process because the money must pass through SWIFT networks, correspondent banks, and regulatory checks. Each stop along the way can deduct another small fee. Some banks even charge lifting fees, meaning the receiver has to pay just to receive your money. By the time your family actually gets the funds, you've paid multiple fees from multiple directions without realizing it. These costs add up significantly, especially for expats and overseas workers who send money home regularly. If you send $1,000 monthly using a traditional bank, you might lose $80 to $150 every single month. 3. Avoid services that offer zero-fee transfers. Many companies attract customers by advertising 0% fees, making it sound like you're getting a great deal. But these services make their profit in other ways, mostly by manipulating the exchange rate. They may not charge a direct fee, but they might offer an exchange rate that is 5 to 10% worse than the actual market rate. This means instead of losing money up front, you lose it silently through the conversion. For example, if the real exchange rate is $1 equals 300 PKR, but the company gives you 270 PKR, you're losing 30 rupees per dollar. On a $500 transfer, that's 15,000 rupees gone instantly, far more than any fee would have cost. These services rely on the fact that many users don't check exchange rates. They know the word free is powerful, and they use it as a marketing trick. Even worse, some companies add hidden charges at the receiving end. Your family might get less money because the agent charges a pickup fee or requires them to buy additional services. Another trick is sudden rate drops during the transfer process. You think you locked in a certain rate, but an hour later, the app says the rate changed and now you must accept a lower one. 4. Compare exchange rates before you send anything. One of the simplest and most effective ways to save money is to compare exchange rates. Many people send money without checking the real value, assuming all services offer similar rates. But the truth is, rates can vary massively from one provider to another. Some platforms give almost the exact mid-market rate, while others quietly reduce the rate to increase their profit. Even a small difference in rate can create a big difference in what your family receives. For example, if one service offers 290 PKR per dollar and another gives 280, that's a loss of 10 rupees per dollar. If you're sending $700, that's 7,000 rupees lost immediately. Over the course of a year, the difference might be the equivalent of 2 to 3 months' worth of groceries for your family. This is why smart senders never rely on just one service. They check the rates every time and choose the best option based on that day's market conditions. There are also comparison websites and apps that show real-time remittance rates across dozens of services, saving you time and helping you make smarter decisions. 5. Use specialist money transfer services instead of banks. Modern fintech companies have disrupted the remittance industry by offering cheaper, faster, and more transparent international transfers. Platforms like Wise, Remitly, WorldRemit, and others use advanced financial networks that avoid the traditional SWIFT system, reducing costs and speeding up delivery times. These specialized services often give near mid-market exchange rates with very low upfront fees, allowing you to keep more of your money. Unlike banks, they don't rely on outdated systems or multiple intermediaries. Instead, they use peer-to-peer networks, local bank partnerships, or group transactions to minimize expenses. Many of these platforms also show you exactly how much your recipient will get before you confirm the transfer. No surprises, no hidden deductions. Another advantage is speed. Many transfers arrive instantly or within minutes, especially for mobile wallet transfers. Some platforms allow you to send directly to bank accounts, mobile wallets, debit cards, or even cash pickup locations. Fintech companies also invest heavily in user experience, offering easy apps, transparent tracking, and instant notifications. If you send money home regularly, using these specialized services can save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars each year. 6. Beware of hidden receiving fees in your home country. Many senders focus on the fees they pay, but forget that fees might also be charged on the receiving side. In many countries, banks and agents charge your family to collect the money you sent. This could be a cash pickup fee, a processing fee, or even a mandatory conversion fee if the money has to be converted again. Some agents also charge extra if your family doesn't have an account with them. These receiving fees can reduce the total amount your loved ones get, even if the sending fee was low. Imagine sending $300 and losing $10 to receiving charges. That's a loss of 3% right away. Over a year, that becomes $120 gone for nothing. 7. Send money during stable market hours. Exchange rates fluctuate constantly due to global market conditions, political changes, inflation, and economic announcements. Sending money during high volatility periods can result in your money losing value within minutes. You might lock in a rate that suddenly drops a few hours later, costing you a lot without warning. The trick is to send money when markets are stable, usually during weekdays when global trading is active. Many expats make the mistake of sending money late at night, on weekends, or during holidays when the currency market is closed. During these hours, many companies add an extra markup or offer inferior rates to protect themselves from volatility. This means you unknowingly lose more money. If you monitor the exchange rate throughout the week, you'll notice patterns. Some days consistently offer better rates than others. Many smart senders wait for peak rate days or set rate alerts in money transfer apps so they can send money when the value is highest. Timing your transfers strategically can save you a lot, especially if you're sending large amounts. Even a small change in exchange rates can make a big difference in what your family receives. 8. Avoid transferring money through credit cards. Using a credit card to send money may be convenient, but it's one of the most expensive options available. Credit card companies charge high fees, cash advance charges, and interest that starts accumulating immediately. On top of that, the transfer service might add extra processing fees for using a credit card. A transfer that would normally cost $5 might suddenly cost $25 or more if paid through a card. Some banks also apply international cash advance fees that can be as high as 5% of the total amount. Credit card transfers also often give worse exchange rates because multiple financial institutions are involved in the transaction. If you want to save money, always fund your transfers through a bank account or debit card. 9. Use mobile wallet transfers for faster, cheaper delivery. Mobile wallets have become a powerful tool for sending and receiving money internationally. Many countries now support digital wallets like Paisa, JazzCash, Gcash, Paytm, M-Pesa, and others. These platforms allow your family to receive money instantly without going to a bank or paying pickup fees. Mobile wallet transfers are usually cheaper for the sender as well because the transfer services save money by avoiding traditional banking infrastructure. They pass those savings to you through better rates and lower fees. Your family can then cash out the money at thousands of locations or use it to pay bills, buy groceries, or shop online. Some wallets even offer bonuses or cashback on international remittances. Mobile wallet transfers are also safer because your family doesn't have to carry large amounts of cash home from a bank or agent. If you want your family to receive money quickly and affordably, mobile wallets are one of the best options available. 10. Use cryptocurrency remittances wisely. Cryptocurrency has opened new possibilities for fast, low-cost international transfers. Instead of paying high fees, many senders buy crypto like USDT, Bitcoin, or stablecoins, send it to their family, and have them convert it locally. Crypto transfers are fast, borderless, and often cost just a few cents. But there are risks. Crypto prices fluctuate rapidly, so it's important to use stablecoins to avoid loss. You also need to ensure your family knows how to convert safely using trusted exchanges. Some platforms now specialize in crypto-to-cash remittances, offering fixed rates and instant transfers. This method is extremely popular in countries with unstable currencies or strict banking controls. 11. Always read the fine print. Many money transfer services hide extra fees in the fine print. These can include compliance fees, service charges, network fees, express delivery charges, and more. Some platforms increase fees during peak seasons like holidays when they know people are desperate to send money. Others charge extra for refunds, cancellations, or failed transfers. Before using any service, always read the terms and conditions. Know exactly what you're paying for and verify how much your recipient will receive. Transparency is a major factor in choosing the right service. If a platform hides important information, avoid it. A trustworthy service always shows the exact fees and rates up front. 12. Use loyalty programs and promo codes. Many remittance companies offer loyalty programs, reward points, and promo codes that can significantly reduce your fees. For example, you might get your first transfer for free, earn points for every transfer, or receive seasonal discount codes. Some services have referral bonuses. Every time you refer someone, you both get a fee discount. Over time, these small benefits add up and can save you hundreds of dollars. Always check the promotions page of your transfer service before sending money. Sign up for their newsletters and notifications so you don't miss any offers. The goal is not just to send money cheaply, but to maximize every opportunity to save more. 13. Transfer larger amounts less frequently. Instead of sending small amounts multiple times a month, send larger transfers less frequently. Many services charge flat fees, meaning sending $100 costs the same as sending $500. If you send money weekly, you're paying more fees overall. By consolidating your transfers, you save on both fees and exchange rate losses. This method requires planning and budgeting, but it can save a significant amount of money over time. Just make sure you're using a secure service and keeping track of your finances carefully. 14. Send money directly to bank accounts or billers. If you send money for specific purposes like school fees, utility bills, or medical expenses, consider sending the payment directly instead of sending cash. Many remittance services allow you to pay bills or deposit money into a bank account abroad. This avoids cash pickup fees and reduces the risk of mismanagement. Direct transfers often come with lower fees because they go straight to a verified institution. Your family receives exactly what they need without losing any value. This approach also gives you better financial control and transparency. 15. Plan your transfers and use alerts. The smartest senders treat money transfers like a financial strategy, not a last-minute task. Use rate alert features in apps to notify you when the exchange rate improves. Compare prices weekly and send money when the market is favorable. Avoid urgent transfers unless absolutely necessary. They often cost more. Planning ahead ensures you get the best rates and avoid high-fee situations. This simple habit can save you thousands over the years. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful and want more content about saving money, earning more, and making smarter financial decisions, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. See you in the next video.